Hey guys, Rich Pacini, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. Today I want to talk to you guys about using older technology or different video, recording devices. And I got some over here, and I'm going to share them with you guys in a second. But I got over here an iPhone 8, and I got an iPhone 5S, and I also got an older camera here. We're going to talk a little about in a second. But the reason I'm doing this video, folks, is because when you're first starting out as a new YouTuber, I say this: use the equipment you have to shoot your videos. Okay, you don't have to go out and buy expensive stuff. I mean, you could also, if you want to shoot your videos on a webcam, you could do that as well. I have a Logitech Brio over here. That's what I'm recording right now. It shoots in 4K, but I want you guys to know, who follow me on this here, I'm buying this stuff as I go along. I didn't buy it all in one shot because it'd be too expensive at one point for me anyway. Some people may bake the difference. That's not really that expensive, but to me it is. Because I am a conservative spender. I only buy what I could afford to buy. You know what I'm saying? I don't go out and charge things. I don't have no charge cards or anything. Everything I do is cash or put on my debit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of these type of people that go spending money on charge cards. But anyway, so what I did is, the reason I'm creating this video is because I want to show you on both of these phones, the iPhone 8 and over here this is the iPhone 5S. I just did 2 video clips on, for each one, the video clip on the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 8, and I also took a photo with each one. And I'm going to tell you, because it's not going to be a guessing game here, and I'm going to let you decide what you think is better, when the video is over. Now, I also have over here, talk about old technology. For those who follow me on this YouTube channel, my 2 favorite electronics are Sony products, and I like Panasonic. And for my computer, I have HP equipment. Okay, so I want to show you, but even with this one here, it's an old camera. This camera is from the 80s, no, 90s I believe it is, and it's the Sony DCR model, DCR PC1, and it takes an 8mm mini cassette recording device to record. I think it does up to an hour if you do it the long play, extended play, whatever, or LP. On here you set the settings. I think you get a little more longer than that there. But anyway, even with this here, this camera, which got a Carl Zeiss lens on there, which is really good. Yeah, Carl Zeiss. Right there, you can see that. Can you see that? It's a heavy, and you know what? It's heavy. I don't know if this is made in Japan. Yeah, this is made in Japan. I noticed like some cameras that are made in China and Japan, there's a little difference, but this one here, it's got some weight to it. Okay. Now I got this at my local thrift store. I got it for like really super cheap, and it came with a battery, but the battery on there was wasn't that good. So I bought another one from a company called K-Star. But even though this camera is old, it takes great pictures, and the way you make it work is with this cable here. This cable here is from Diamond, and it's called a one-touch video capture. It's a video capture cable, not a video capture card. And over here it has a USB plug. You plug this right into your computer, and over here it's got this connector where I would plug it. I think it's in the back on this one, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't taken it out in a while, but you would plug this into your computer, and then with the capture card, I'd be able to upload the image, the video I should say, up on a computer. But you need this here in order to do that there. Okay. I think it did come with some cables, if I'm not mistaken. But even though this is old technology, this thing would work great. It takes great pictures and stuff like that, and you can still use it today. And that's what my video is all about today, folks. I'm going to put this aside. I will do a video on that there, show you how the older technology works and stuff like that, because you're probably wondering, I'd like to know how that camera takes videos and stuff like that. It takes pretty good videos, I have to honestly say. Sony, to me, is my favorite product as far as like video cameras and stuff like that. But with the iPhones, you could take some nice pictures with these. Seriously. This is not the iPhone Plus. I think has a better camera. This is, I think they said, a single lens, but you're able to shoot front and back with it, something like that. There is a difference between the iPhone 8 and the Plus. If you go, I was reading a little about it. If you go with the Max, like anything that says Max on it, it has 3 cameras on it. Like the iPhone 14 Pro Max that has a cinematic cinematic feature on there. This one here, the iPhone 8, it's got slow mode, it's got the video and some other things in there. You know, you get what you pay for. Okay, I'm not going to complain because I got this as a gift. So I bought this one by myself, you know, on my own. I had a flip phone for the longest time, and so my daughter was like, "Dad, get with the program, get a smartphone. You'll get something a little better than having a little flip phone with a screen that's about yay big." So I ended up getting this. I got this off of eBay. I think it was refurbished, whatever. I think I paid $149 for it back then. Came in nice, clean condition. It's the gold tone. They're both gold. You know, they're both gold. Came with their cases on them, and it works great. It works great. And I'm going to show you. I'm just going to do quick video clips, and you know, I want to see what you guys think about it. I'm going to tell you what they are, but afterwards, if you want to drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Do you see a difference? Could you tell which one is better than the other, or they're about the same? Okay. Now, but before I do that, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content. You come back for more. And if you are new, I just want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. And in case you're wondering what video editing software I am using, it's Filmora 12. Okay, really good video editing software. And if you don't know what to use or whatever, and you don't want to go shoot for the expensive one, Adobe Premiere or whatever, this one here is really good software. So I use it all the time. I love it. But that's me. Now over here, I got a little piece of paper here that's got, because I have to keep track of myself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, minimize the screen here, and I'm going to let you guys see the videos. They're clips. They're very short clips. And all the video, I think I'm saying in there, I shot this video. Well, could you tell which video, well, which iPhone I'm using to shoot the video? Something along that line there, along with 2 photos of it. You know, nothing spectacular. I'm not going to get too crazy. It's just to show you the comparison, you know, of both technology. Like, you know, one's better than the other, or they're about the same. The whole premise behind this video is that you don't have to go out and buy expensive DSLR cameras. You could use exactly, you know, whatever you have. If you're a person that's still using the iPhone 5S, I've been using this here for a long time. I make quite a bit of videos with this too. Okay, and I'll be honest with you, even shooting these video clips just now, even myself, if I had to put on a piece of paper which one's which, I wouldn't know which one's the iPhone 5S or the iPhone 8. You guys might be able to have a better eye, and I wear glasses for reading, so, but you guys might have a better eye. I can tell you, I know which one it is, you know. So if you want to drop a comment below and tell me what you thought, was better than the other, whatever, then that'd be great. Well, anyway, let me do that right now. I'm going to pause this here for a second. Okay, here we go. I'm going to play it. I'm going to play the video, and then let you guys decide. Let me go move this back over here, get it back into place, and here we go. Hey guys, you see your YouTube login creator here. Can you tell which iPhone I'm using to do this video? Hey guys, Rich Pacino, your YouTube login creator here. Can you tell which iPhone I'm using to do this video? Okay, that's all I have for you guys right now. Let me know what you think, which iPhone you think was the better picture, or take a guess at it, whatever. And I will let you guys know ahead of time, afterwards. And also, before I close this video out, as I like to say, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Keep putting out those videos, follow your dreams, and I want to share this one thing with you really quick here, right here. Do what you love to do, and the viewers will follow. And that's for the new YouTubers who are looking to start a YouTube channel. Just remember that, folks. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye for now.